Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Doing good? Huh? Is everyone fine?
No, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, exams are coming.
तो एग्जाम आते हैं तो हम सही नहीं होते हैं क्या? ऐसा तो कहीं लिखा नहीं है किसी बुक में।
No, ma'am.
हाँ, तो जब
मैम
एग्जाम
बच्चों से पूछिए।
हाँ नहीं, बच्चों से तो हम पूछेंगे, आप भी तो बच्चों में ही आते हो भाई।
मैम
सीधी सी
एग्जाम्स विल बी ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन?
बेटा ऑफलाइन, कंप्लीटली ऑफलाइन।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग। आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं, ऑनलाइन रहे ऑफलाइन रहे एग्जाम्स? हाँ,
मैम ऑफलाइन।
ऑफलाइन ना। हाँ, वेरी गुड, दैट्स रियली वेरी गुड।
मैम एग्जाम्स विल बी ऑफ 40 मार्क्स और 80?
40 बेटा, term 1 already we have done, no?
Ma'am, exams will be 40 marks, no?
Beta, as per the term division, it has to be 40 only, है ना? चलिए ready for the revision? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. I'll connect my device with this one and share the questions with you all. I hope you all have revised your math work that I gave you, class. Children, speak at least something. No one is saying anything. Ayush is connecting with 2 devices. Ayush? Ayush, are you there? कनेक्शन ही नहीं हो पा रहा है, चक्कर क्या है? गुड मॉर्निंग उस्मान. Okay. I am sharing the screen. I think we did these questions yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
Yes,
how many
ma'am.
we did? How many we did? Hmm?
Ma'am, till 28.
Why did the USA enter the Second World War, right?
Second World War. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, till here we have done. So let us start with the next questions now. So the question is from chapter 3 only we will do, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, what was mass killing?
Yes, ma'am.
How the mass killing was termed? How? What was mass killing termed as? What was mass killing termed as? Beta? You all have the books with you, class? Class, do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have? Let us do one thing. Open your books.
Ma'am, a special treatment or final solution?
Yes, mass killing was termed as special treatment. And for whom were the words final solution used?
Ma'am, Jews?
Yes, very good. For whom were the words final solution used? Right? Next. What did the term evacuation meant? What did the term evacuation mean?
Ma'am, discharge of blood from the body.
Huh? बताओ बेटा. बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, discharge of blood from the body.
Discharge of
Ma'am, blood.
evacuation.
Ma'am, evacuation means to empty something, na?
बेटा हम आपसे चैप्टर के कंटेक्स्ट में पूछ रहे हैं, साइंस थोड़ी पूछ रहे हैं हम बेटा। अब गूगल को क्या पता हम क्या पूछ रहे हैं उससे, क्यों? हमें तो क्लियर करना पड़ेगा ना, स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि हम क्या पूछ रहे हैं उससे।
मैम टू एम्प्टी होता है ना मीनिंग तो।
इवैक्यूएशन का
Ma'am,
मतलब तो
dropping people,
हाँ
ma'am, dropping people to the gas chambers.
हाँ जी, इसका मतलब इवैक्यूएशन का इस चैप्टर में मतलब होता है टेकिंग पीपल टू दी गैस चैम्बर्स। ठीक है, अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, आप लोग फोन में मत सर्च करो, आप लोग अपनी बुक्स अपने हाथ में रखो, हम आपको बताते हैं पेज नंबर पैराग्राफ जहां से हम क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं, देन तो यू विल बी एबल टू टेल,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ये तो कर लोगे ना? तो गिव मी अ मिनट, आई विल गेट माय बुक एंड यू आल्सो गेट योर बुक्स, ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, ओके, गॉट योर बुक्स बेटा? बेटा बुक्स लेके आ गए क्लास?
यस मैम।
गॉट योर बुक्स?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
फाइन, चलिए पेज नंबर
Ma'am, 68.
वेट okay, I am asking you questions from the topic the years of depression. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
open the pages.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
First paragraph. In which year the Wall Street Exchange crashed?
1929.
1929.
Very good. How many shares were sold in one
13
single day?
million.
Huh?
13
बेटा-
million.
बेटा
13
अनुष्का,
million.
बेटा अनुष्का क्वेश्चन पूरा हो जाने दो, नहीं तो क्वेश्चन आप पूछो हम आंसर देंगे. एटलीस्ट लेट मी फिनिश द क्वेश्चन, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
Between which years the national income of the USA fell by half?
Ma'am, 1929 to 1932.
Very good. Between 1929 to 1932. What were the effects of the economic depression in US? Class?
The effect of recession in the USA economy were felt
Huh?
worldwide.
Yes, Usman, tell.
Ma'am,
बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Hanji. Question is, what were the effects of economic depression on US? बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, national income of USA fell half,
Very good.
and ma'am, factories shut down, exports fell, farmers were badly hit, and speculators withdrew their money from the
Speculators withdrew their money from the market. Very good.
markets.
Very good. Then next question is from the first paragraph only. How did Germany? एक मिनट, क्वेश्चन है. चलो ठीक है, रहने दो. Second paragraph. What had hit the German economy? What had hit the German economy? Huh?
Ma'am,
the
economic
Germany was
crisis.
the worst hit
Economic
by
crisis.
the economic crisis.
Ma'am, economic crisis.
Okay. The economic crisis had hit the Germany worstly. Okay. By which year the industrial production was reduced to 40%?
1932.
Ma'am, 19th.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
1932.
Very good. Very good. What is Wall Street Exchange?
Ma'am, Wall Street Exchange is the name of world's biggest stock, which is located in USA.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good. The Wall Street Exchange is the world's biggest stock exchange located in US, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. चलो, next is just a second. Okay. What was politically very fragile? What was politically very fragile? Page number 55. Beta, can you hear me?
Republic.
Ma'am, Weimar Republic.
Weimar Republic.
हाँ. Um, okay. Give two reasons of Weimar Constitution being defective. Give two reasons for Weimar Constitution being defective.
Ma'am, one is proportional representation and the second is Article 48.
Ha, very good. What was
Yes,
our,
ma'am.
what provisions were there under Article 48?
Ma'am, Article 48 gives the president powers to impose emergency.
Huh. Article
Yes,
48
ma'am.
gave, Article 48 gave
Powers to president to impose emergency.
Emergency, yes, ma'am.
very good. Article 48 gave the president to impose emergency and suspend all the civil rights that the people had, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now come to Hitler rise to power, page number 56 of your book, new books. Open?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In which year Hitler was born and where?
Ma'am, 1889 in Australia.
Ma'am, 1889 in Austria.
Ma'am,
Australia or
1889
Austria?
in Austria. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Austria.
Austria.
Sorry, ma'am,
Austria.
Austria.
Very good, very good. Now, when did he enroll for the army?
Ma'am, when the First World War broke out.
Very good. During the First World War. What horrified him? What horrified him?
Ma'am, German defeat. Ma'am,
German.
German defeat.
German defeat horrified him.
Ma'am.
And what made him
Yes,
furious?
ma'am.
What made him furious?
Ma'am, Treaty of Versailles. Versailles.
Ma'am, Treaty of
Treaty of
Versailles.
Versailles made him furious. Very good.
Furious.
Okay. In which year he joined a small group called the German Workers' Party?
Ma'am, in 1919.
Ma'am, 1919.
Very good.
1990.
How did he rename the German Workers' Party? Beta, how did he rename the
Ma'am,
German
to the Nazi party.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Nazi's party.
as the National Socialist German Workers' Party? Right? Right?
yes.
Huh.
Yes.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
okay, then which party? Sorry, which party? इसमें लिखो, which question आप ही करो, which party came to be known as the Nazi party? बताओ. Which party?
Ma'am, National Socialist
National
German
Socialist
Workers.
Ma'am, National
German
Socialist German
Workers.
Workers Party.
Very good. National Socialist German Worker Party came to be known as the Nazi Party. Okay, in which year Hitler planned to seize control of Bavaria?
1923.
Ma'am, 1923.
Very good. When did the Nazi Party effectively got the public got the popular support?
Ma'am, in 1930s.
In 1930s. 30s during the in 1929 during the Great Depression. In which year Nazi Party became the largest party?
Ma'am, in 1932.
1932.
In 1932. Very good. How can you define propaganda? This term propaganda, how can you define? How would you define propaganda?
Ma'am, specific type
Ma'am,
of
it
message
is a
directly
specific-
aimed to influence the opinion of people.
Yes, ma'am. Written in book. Yes, ma'am.
Then next, propaganda is a type of message directly aimed at influencing the opinion of people, right? Who was a powerful speaker? Who was a powerful speaker?
Hitler.
Hitler.
Okay, what
Ma'am,
moved?
Hitler.
What moved people? What moved people?
Ma'am, his passion and his
Ma'am, his
words.
passion and his words.
Very good. His
His
passion and his words. Okay. What did he promise to the people?
To build a strong nation.
To build a strong nation.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
build a strong nation.
And undo the injustice of the Versailles Treaty and restore the dignity of the German people. ये तीनों चीजें उसने promise करी थी during his, public speeches that he used to give. Right? Right,
Yes,
Peter?
ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, next question is, what did he promise for the unemployed and the youth? What did he promise for the people looking for work and the youth?
Ma'am, is promised for the secure future of the
Ma'am,
youth.
to secure
Yes,
future.
ma'am. Ma'am, secure future for the youth.
Very good. He promised employment for the one looking for work and secure future for the youth. Very good. Then what became the part of the spectacle power of Hitler? What became the part of spectacle power of Hitler?
Ma'am, mobilization.
What mobilization? What mobilization? Usman, पूरा बताओ.
Ma'am, mass
Ma'am,
mobilization.
mass of new mobilization.
The red banners with the swastik, the Nazi salute, the ritualized rounds of applause after the speeches were part of the spectacle of power. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Okay. What skillfully projected Hitler as a Messiah savior? Class?
Ma'am, Nazi propaganda.
Nazi propaganda.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Who offered the chancellorship, the highest position of cabinet of ministers, to Hitler, and when?
Ma'am, on 30 January 1933, President Hindenburg offered chancellorship to Hitler.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On 30th January 1933, President Hindenburg offered the chancellorship to Hitler. Fine. Okay, next is what indefinitely suspended the civic rights like freedom of speech, press and assembly that had been guaranteed by the Weimar Constitution?
Ma'am, fire decree
of
And fire decree of
Of?
28th February
of 20th
1933.
Feb 1933.
very good, very good. Fine. Next is who were hurriedly packed off to the newly established concentration camps?
Ma'am, communist.
Communist
Communists.
Jews.
Very only
Ma'am,
the
arch enemies and
as-
communists.
beta
Yes,
as
ma'am.
per the book, chapter, paragraph, only the communist. No other name is specified over here. ठीक है? हम आपसे बुक पे confined होके बुक से पूछ रहे हैं तो आप हमें प्लीज वो बुक वाला ही आंसर एग्जैक्टली बताएंगे. ठीक है बेटा? Let it be as a comprehension passage thing. Then next question is चलिए how many types of victims were persecuted by the Nazis across the country? How many types of
Ma'am,
victims?
52.
And 52 types of victims.
Ma'am, 52.
Very good. 52 types of victims. Very good. Then when was the famous Enabling Act passed?
3rd
Ma'am,
March
3 March
1933.
1933.
3 March 1933.
Very good. What were the effects of passing of Enabling Act?
Ma'am, this act
Ma'am, it
established
gave all
dictatorship in
power to
Germany
Ma'am, it
sideline
gave all
and
power to
it gave all
Hitler.
power to Hitler.
and rule by decree.
Yes, ma'am.
Dubara, one by one. Yes, Aditya, you are telling the answer?
Ma'am, it gave all power to the Hitler and rule by decree.
Hitler was
And
given
this led him to establish the
It gave
dictatorship
Hitler all
in Germany.
Yes. The famous Enabling Act established a dictatorship in Germany. Hitler was given all the powers to sideline the parliament and rule by decree, and all the political parties and trade unions were banned except for the Nazi party. Right? High fever की again. Combi flame खा लो वो ज़्यादा better है. देख लो. Combi flame. Right? देख लो. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What was created to control and order society in ways that the Nazis wanted?
Ma'am, they wanted to control over the
Ma'am,
economy,
special
media,
surveillance
army,
the
judiciary.
economic.
हमने पूछा what was created to control and order society in ways that the Nazis wanted?
Ma'am, special surveillance and security force.
Very good, Usman. Special surveillance and security forces were created to control and order society in ways that the Nazis wanted. Very good. Okay, next. What was the Gestapo? What was Gestapo? बताओ अनुष्का.
Ma'am, it was a torture
stormtroopers.
chamber.
Ma'am, secret state police.
Secret state police was called as Gestapo.
Ma'am, the protection squad.
Usman, protection squad क्या था बताओ? What was the protection squad बताओ?
It was the SS.
Huh? What was this SD? What was SD, beta?
Ma'am, criminal police and security services.
Very good. Then what were concentration camps? Define concentration camps.
Ma'am, concentration camps
Ma'am,
are
torture
where
chamber
people were isolated and detained without any legal formalities.
Yes. A camp where people were isolated and detained without due process of law. Very good. And it was surrounded by electrified barbed wire fences, right?
Yes,
Who was
ma'am.
assigned the responsibility of economic recovery to the for the country, Germany? Huh?
Halsmer's
Second.
Satchet.
Sketch.
Okay. What is Volkswagen? What is Volkswagen?
Car of Germany.
Yes, it was the car, people's car, which was given by Hitler to its people. Very good. Name the slogan given by Hitler.
One people, one empire, one leader.
One empire and one leader.
Very good. Which country was a silent supporter of Germany?
Ma'am, England.
England. Very good. Now, in which year Germany invaded Poland?
Ma'am, 1939.
Very good. 1939, Germany invaded Poland. With the invasion of Poland, Germany started war with which two countries?
Ma'am, France and England.
Very good. France and England. What was signed between Germany, Italy, and Japan in September 1940?
Ma'am, tripartite pact.
Tripartite pact. Very good. Tripartite
Tripartite
pact.
pact.
Very good. A tripartite pact was signed between Germany, Italy, and Japan in September 1940. By end of which year Hitler was at the pinnacle of his power?
1940.
1940.
Very good. Very good. Okay, why did Hitler conquer the Eastern Europe?
Ma'am, to achieve his long-term aim.
What was his long-term aim? What was his long-term aim?
He wanted to ensure food supplies and living space.
He wanted to ensure food supplies and living space for Germans. That is why he conquered the Eastern Europe. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think class, this way, at least you will pick up your books and you will read something. So we are going to revise like this only in the next few classes that we will be having, right? And please keep arrange for a world map political so that we can practice world map as well, because you will be given world map as well. And India political map at least 5 for revision of geography. I hope I am clear.
Okay, ma'am.